Career scope in digital marketing. This is the last topic in this first module. So in this topic, we are going to discuss about different roles you'll be taking when you get a job in any company. Before going to that, I want you to do one thing. Just open the Google and type digital marketing jobs in Odisha. If you are in Odisha, or type digital marketing jobs in Delhi if you are in Delhi, or type digital marketing jobs in Bangalore if you are in Bangalore, or simply type digital marketing jobs and check how many jobs will pop up. By this, you will understand the clear scope of digital marketing, the future of digital marketing, and how many jobs are waiting for you. Okay, so let's discuss what are the roles are available for a digital marketing person. One is social media manager. Social media manager means the person will handle all the social media channels of a brand or a company like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest. What all the channels the company has, he is responsible for handling all those channels. So the thing is, what he does is he need to post the content, he need to maintain the social media calendar, he knows what to post, when to post, in which social media channel he should post on the day, everything he knows. And not only that, he replies, he handles DMs, messages and the comments also. And the next one is SEO specialist. SEO specialist means search engine optimization. So what he does is he mainly works with the website of the company of the brand. So he he brings a website in the first page of the Google search. That is his main responsibility. So what he does is he works with the content of the website. He adds keywords in the website content, website blogs. Just he adds, he won't write the entire content of the website or he won't write the blogs. He will add the keywords wherever is possible. He knows what keywords to be added and where to be added. He works with H1 tags, H2 tags, H3 tags. He optimizes the images. And not only that, he works on different social media channels to bring this website in the first page of the Google. There are different techniques. We will be discussing about that in upcoming modules like off-page SEO, on-page SEO. Those all we are going to discuss. Don't worry. And next one is content writer. The content writer work is um, writing the content for the website, and he writes the blogs in the website, and he narrates the stories about the brand. He he, he creates the ad copies and so many, everything related to the content. He is responsible for all the content of that brand. So if you are a very good storyteller, then this job suits to you. And next one is performance marketing. So their role is like handling, they work with the meta ads, like Facebook ads, Instagram ads and Google ads, and they are responsible of collecting leads, and they are responsible for the sales. And they do different types of campaigns like branding, traffic, or engagement campaign, different types of remarketing, everything they will be doing. uh, Basically they work with the paid campaigns for that company. Next one is the freelancer. Freelancer means they won't work for any company directly. Okay, they won't work for any brand directly, they will be working by their own. Just now we have discussed different roles for a digital marketing. They can take any of that role and they can work for any company or for any clinic or for any client or for any brand from their home or from any cafe. So without any time limitation, time restrictions, so he can work anywhere freely. Okay, so and he can get any number of projects. He can't stick with one company or one brand. He can work for any number of projects. He can take up any number of projects. That is the freelancer. And next one is the agency owner. Agency owner is like next level to the freelancer. It is little big, it's a little big picture. So he runs a company that provides digital marketing services to many clients. So maybe if you want to become an agency owner, so you can start with one client and show the performance, work hard, and with that client's references, you can get any number of more clients, and you can hire people and you can give jobs. This little big picture. Okay. And next one is brand strategies. Brand strategist is means they decide how a brand should look on internet, like how a logo should be, what are the colors to be added, what colors we should add in the logo, and what is the tone of that brand, how a brand should behave in a social media, whether it should be a motivational or like Zomato or Favicol funny memes, or they are some storytelling, motivation, whatever the tone of the brand, he will decide, and he thinks big about the brand. So digital marketing is just a job. It's a freedom, it's a creativity, and it's an opportunity. If you choose this career, digital marketing as your career, so the main thing is your phone is your office, and your ideas become your salary, and you can take any projects, and you can get clients from anywhere, from India or from any corner of the world. And digital marketing skill is like it will take you to anywhere, wherever you want, and the journey starts today. Thank you.